I've been outside for a few hours and it's over 100 degrees, so bear with me how I look. We are going to be taking out my rear headrest. This is for any GM vehicle, probably honestly Dodge and Ford might be the same way. If you've ever noticed how your rear headrest in trucks, maybe even other vehicles, don't have necessarily a push button like your front ones might, I'm going to show you real quick the easy way to take them out. Let's go ahead without further ado and get into it. This is really simple. It's going to be really quick. You can take a small flathead screwdriver like I'm doing. This is just in this little pack, a 2mm one. You can use a paper clip, a really sturdy piece of wire, anything that pretty much fits in the hole but is sturdy enough to push. So I will do a little close up. There's little holes on the inside since these do not have a typical button like front one does. What you do, after pushing that up all the way, stick the flathead in there, push on it, and then move to the other side. And that's it.